A gentle whisper of dawn breaks as the world stirs from its slumber. The sky, a canvas of soft hues, paints a picture of a new day, a new beginning. The first light of the day spills through the window, casting a warm glow on the world inside. Our friend awakens, a smile dancing on their lips. The soft rustle of sheets echoes the quiet symphony of the morning. The day begins, not with a jolt, but with a serene and gradual awakening, a harmonious dance of body and mind. They rise, their bodies stretching towards the sky, each muscle waking up, shaking off the remnants of sleep. It's a dance as old as time, a salute to the sun, a celebration of life and movement. There's a profound joy in this simple act of waking up, a silent thanksgiving for the gift of a new day. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, a comforting scent, a familiar ritual. Breakfast is a symphony of flavors, a feast of fruits and grains, a testament to the nourishment of the earth. Each bite is savored, each sip of coffee a moment of mindfulness, a gentle reminder of the joy in the ordinary. A book waits on the table, its pages brimming with wisdom and tales. The joy in the ordinary, quiet conversation with the mind. Each word read, each idea absorbed, enriches the soul and sparks the imagination. Outside, the garden is a kaleidoscope of color. Each flower, each leaf is a testament to the wonder of nature, the miracle of growth. Hands weathered with age and experience tend to the garden with love and care. It's a labor of love, a dance with nature, a moment of connection with the earth. This is the beauty of the morning, the tranquility of routine. Each action, each moment is a celebration, a mindful journey through the day. The joy is in the everyday and the ordinary, in the simple act of living. It's a gentle reminder that each day is a gift, each moment an opportunity to embrace life. So, as the day unfolds, remember to find joy in the simple pleasures, to cherish the ordinary moments, to celebrate the beauty of routine. For in the end, it's these small moments, these simple joys that make up the tapestry of our lives. Happy grand rising.